it really gives you a perspective of what Calder might have been actually trying to convey through his sculptures.
Romanieo Jr., Global Science Ambassador here, is going to share something with you about the art we're going to see. So what are we going to see today?
Oh yeah, we're going to see a Calder, we're going to see Monet, we're going to see Cezanne, all of those greats. Whistler. Oh yeah.
And what's going to be great about it is that we're going to have some special tools. What are we going to be using today?
We're going to be using Meade binoculars.
Okay.
So you can look up close at the colors.
Very good. What binoculars? We have some Rainforest Pros.
Yes.
And what else?
No wait, I believe that's a 10 by 42 or 8 by 42, I can't remember. But we do have a 10 by 42, an 8 by 42, and a Meade Rainforest Pro 10 by 42.
Very good. So please join us, like and subscribe, and we'll have more information about how you can ask us any questions at the end of the video. But again, we are Meade brand ambassadors. We are on our way to Chile, hopefully later this summer, for a great total solar eclipse, and we hope you join us. Again, our series, our podcast is The Art and Science of the Everyday, and this series is Make It Better with Meade.
The museum's introduction to this gallery, Calder Close-Up, states, "Few artists ran the gamut of scale, from massive to mini, as completely as Calder," and I agree. Here, the object label placard for Finneyfish lists the materials as follows: steel rod, wire, glass, objects, and paint. Those two are kind of vague, and they're certainly not discernible from floor level. Let's see what Sherry has to say about it. She's got the binoculars.
At Alexander Calder's Finneyfish. And what I think is so interesting about it is the fact that there's a lot of contrast in color, structure. There's a steel rod, wire, there's some wood, it looks like, and some different pieces of glass. I'm going to take a look and see what else, what other detail I can see. Now you can see the fasteners, and it's quite exquisite. There's the detail, the level of detail that I'm seeing I would not be able to see without these binoculars, based upon the height of this hanging sculpture. So use binoculars at the museum. It's a great tip, it's a great gift to yourself to be able to view an artwork or a piece of art close up.
So thank you for joining us on this first episode, Make It Better with Meade. I mean, what I think you will gain from the experience is that you really miss about 80% of the artwork that you get to see without the benefit of that fine precision instrument to be able to allow you to see the detail that you would never be able to see even if you are 7 feet tall. So it's a great example of the ways that you can use that science works with art and science. You can't separate the two. Special thanks to Meade for being our sponsor, and we've happily been brand ambassadors with them, and we hope to continue and share the beauty of Meade with our audiences. And again, this is the Art and Science of the Everyday, and hope you'll join us again soon.